Hola, hola, Champion Academy. Hi, I'm recording this video as a testimonial. So 100% have got so much out of this course so far. I'm just finishing module 3. I signed up last week and I'm already progressing so much. To be honest, I have spent lots of money in different programs, but this program has really given me a lot of the things that I was looking for. My goal in the next 3 weeks and a half, more or less, is to make 20K. So I'm going for that. Honestly, this is motivating me so much. And the reason why it's motivating me so much is because literally all the structure of the program is so good. It's like very detailed, and plus the support is so amazing. I've been able to ask so many questions in the Facebook group. I've been able to go to the live coaching meetings weekly, which are many, by the way. So I find that really, really good. So I'm super happy so far. That's all I can say. And I can wait to give that 20K testimonial. So let's go for it. Thank you. And really, really wanna thank Ed for this. I'm super, super grateful. So thank you so much, Ed. And I hope to meet you one day.